Hello everyone, this is Sarita and Kamal. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will take you to a location that is not just an amazing trekking site but also hides some mind-blowing caves, offering the perfect adrenaline rush. Before we head towards our destination, make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out any interesting travel destinations, and do follow us on Instagram to stay updated on our upcoming adventures. Now let's get started. Just 60 kilometers away from Bangalore, located in Kolar district of Karnataka, India, Antargange Hill is a popular pilgrim spot and an adventurous trekking site. The key highlights of the Antargange Hill is the Kashi Vishveshwara temple and two caves at the hilltop. The hill has become a very popular weekend getaway. People from many different places flock to the hill to visit the temple and explore the caves. We got to know about this place at the MyEcoTrips website, and the caves instantly grabbed our attention, and we soon planned our day trip. We started at around 10:30 am from Bangalore and drove on NH75. If you were to follow the Google Maps for direction, search for Antargange Trekking Starting Point. It takes you to the parking lot. After driving for around 1.5 hours from Bangalore, we finally reached the Antargange foothills. A fleet of concrete stairs welcome you to the hills. You've got to climb the stairs to reach the first attraction on the hill, which is the Kashi Vishveshwara temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. We are at the entrance of the Antargange caves. We need to climb a fleet of stairs to reach to the temple, Kashi Vishveshwara temple, and from the backside of the temple, the main hike to the Antargange caves will begin. The temple is surrounded by a pond which gets a continuous flow of underground water from the mouth of a Nandi. The source of water is still unknown, and this is how Antargange gets its name. Antar means from within and Ganga is the stream. The water is said to have healing properties. It was very crowded when we reached the temple. After offering our prayers, we headed towards the trail. It is a steep and narrow path that runs behind the temple all the way up to the Antargange caves. The hike needs to be pre-booked from the MyEcoTrips website. We were soon joined by a forest department guide. One needs to present their booking confirmation, following which the guide will take you to the caves. The trail is filled with small boulders, loose gravel and rock-cut steps. There are many shaded spots where you can stop and take some rest. The caves are around 2 to 3 kilometers from the temple. We soon reached the entrance of the first cave, which is also the biggest one. Since it was a Sunday, the place was overcrowded. There were already many people entering and moving out of the cave. Our guide carefully guided us through the extremely narrow passages. The small and big rocks of the mountain have receded to form caves on the mountain. Out of the many caves, only 2 are accessible. This one and the other is a water cave, which we will soon show you. The passages are dark and narrow, which makes it thrilling to wriggle through them and adds to the adventure. Once we were inside the cave, we were awestruck with the beauty of it. It felt like we entered a different world altogether. It wasn't even dark inside, and all we did was just sit and admire the caves. The exit was from the opposite side, and without a guide one can easily lose their way. Just 200 meters away from this cave is the second one, also known as the water cave of Antargange Hill. This cave has a stream that flows through it, and the target is to reach the stream. This cave is not for everyone. It's pitch dark and very narrow, right from the entrance all the way up to the stream inside. Make sure you carry a flashlight, or else you won't be able to see anything inside. This cave is so damn narrow that you can't even sit up straight. If you are scared of darkness, close and tight spaces, or if you have other problems such as back pain or weak joints, then avoid entering the caves. Exploring these caves requires extensive crawling, squeezing, jumping and climbing. After exploring both the caves, we took some rest over the boulders and enjoyed the surroundings. It was beautiful. The hike to both the caves can be completed within 3 hours. Carry enough water and snacks, wear comfortable clothing and proper trekking shoes. Once we reached the foothills, we headed towards our second trekking site, the Avni Hills. Don't forget to watch Avni Hills video uploaded on this channel. Link is in the description box below. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and found the information useful. If you are looking for more adventure, then check out the other treks we have been to. Give this video a big thumbs up, leave us a comment, follow us on Instagram and subscribe this channel for more videos, and we will catch you soon in our next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.